Hi friends, in our last video tutorial, we complete the insert part. Now, after record inserted, the inserted, I want to redirect to my login for login. So how to make the redirection? So you have write it over here. Here you have type parent. You have type parent. Get the object parent equal fxml loader dot load this dot get class dot get resources. Here I'm going to type here your base the location view slash login form dot xml. So the seeds equal new. Yeah, this is not error. You click on this, add this one as exception, right? Skill exception, right? So new scenes. So you have to throw this parent. That's it. Now that what we are going to do is here we have write stage, primary stage, right there, the right primary stage equal. You have to cast it the stage. We have to cast the stage root. Root means this registration form. We haven't get the root pan. Sanka pan. You see the pan over here. The pan means this. What is the thing is here we have to go to your registration form. Yes, my where's this my generate registration. You have to open scenes builder. You will be able to see here. You have to set this one as a ID. You have to set the ID as pan, right? So that's ID you have to mention it over here, right? The pan dot get scenes dot get window. How is the primary stage dot set scenes scenes. Set title login form. Copy this, paste it over here, center screen. Right now let's run and check. Click sign it. The problem is I haven't connect my MySQL server because I have stopped the server service. If there is a problem while the MySQL service not running, you will be get this error. So here, if you get this error, MySQL did not received, you have to go to service. So there are many students stuck with this area. So here you have here you have stop it. That's why. Here now you have to start the service. Again you have to run the application. It will be running. Now it's working. Click on this. Here it's open up. Here it's store. I'm going to add James. I'm going to type some mobile number, password. I'm going to type password. Click register button. Success. Click OK. What is things? XML. Right here there is FXML. This is the XM, not XML, FXML. That's the problem. Right now let's again check it. Peter, standard of mobile number. You have to change the color. I have forgot to change the color. Okay. Type some mobile number. Okay. Password 123. Password 123. Click register button. Click submit. Here it's working successfully. Here it now it will be asked to log in the screen. Right. If the username and password is successful. Right. Now let's do the things. Right. Now you have completed the registration form. Now let's back to our login section. Right, login. Now we have to write the code. So here's the login form. Right, so login form. We have username and password. All things you have set it. Right, so we have to go to the login form, login controller. Right, so login controller. You will be able to see the sign up. Your sign in button. Here we have to check whether the username and password is success. It will be login the main form. Right, so what you're going to do is here. First, I'm going to establish a database connection. So we have the registration form. We have to go back to here, registration form, right? So here you have to make this one. It's a connection, right? So the data you just copy it. This all the try and catch block I just copy it. Back to over here, paste it over here. Now here we have tried this try. We have tried the catch try. After that try block, you have to close it. Close it. You have tried the catch. You have your exception ex, right? So you have to write here ex dot print trace, right? Now here what you are going to do is here you have to write it over here. So that the prepare statement, object prepare statement equal connection dot prepare statement. You have to write here select all from select all from select all from user. The user is a table where username equal question mark and password equal question mark. If the username and password is correct, we have to log in the system, right? The username and password is correct, so log in the system, right? So we have to write the we have to log in the system. So the prepare statement dot set string, right? Set string, you have to write the username. Right, so you have to write the username. You have to use the username. You have to write like this. You have to use like this. Get text, right? So you have to write like this, otherwise you have to get the variable like this. So here instead of that you have to write this one, the get text. You have to, this is not efficient way, you have to write like this. Okay, you have to write get the username string username equal like this. This is the efficient way. Second is the password, string password, string password field. Password is a password, txt password. Right, this one you have to copy this, paste it over here. Second one you have to copy this, paste it over the second one. Is a txt this one password. That's the thing you have to write it. After that, what you have to do is you have to username and password correct. You have to result set equal prepare statement dot execute code. After that, write if result set dot next dot right. If the username and password is correct, it will visit to the main form dashboard. So let's what you're going to do is here. I'm going to go to create another form fxml main form dot main form. I'm going to create a main form. Right, the main form. Right. So here the main form you have to write here a controller. So you have to write as a main form controller. The main form you have to write it main form class main form controller. Right. So main form controller. Now what you're going to do is main form controller. You have to give it here. It is reside on the controller main form dot main form control. This one. That's the thing you have to write. And now here you have to go to here. You have to write it. You have to label. You have to message this one. You have drag and drop it. This message I'm going to give here as welcome. Press enter key. File, save, quit. That's it. That's the thing you have to write. File, quit. Right now here, after that, when the form is loaded, go back to my registration control. It will be passing to where that dashboard. Right. So how to pass the dashboard? So the same thing what I did here in our registration form. The same code. The same code I just copied here. When the registration is complete, it asks to log in. So here also it redirect to the main form. So go to my login controller here, pass it over here. We have to write a view under the view my which form main form dot fxml. This is the form xml. Here right this one should be there. We have to name it as a road. Okay, the road. Here write the road parent get form. This one should be the title. Let's set the title here as a registration form. Station. Right. So that's the thing you have to write it here. Write the center do here. No. This one should be the main form. Not a registration of main form. Okay. Here also write the main form. The registration also this login form. Right. Now let's. That's the thing you have to do it after the login is successfully. If there is any problem, if there's any error of the login, so the same thing you have to the alert message. The alert message is copied. So here username or password do not match. Username or password do not match. You have to give the message. Now that you are clear, if the two things clear, username you have to clear username dot clear txt password dot, there is a method, predefined method clear dot clear both. After that, txt username dot request focus. Now let's write it. Let's try and check. Right. Now you have to write a username, login as James 123, sign in. Here it's welcome. Right? It's working perfectly well. The username and password is correct. Again, you have to write it over here. If you type the wrong username and password, sign in. Here, username or password do not match. Right? So again, you have to type it. It's a Peter 123. Click sign in. Here it's welcome. Now it's working perfectly well, right? So this is how we have make the login form and registration and login form using the JavaFX. I hope you successfully understand this tutorial well. Thank you.